Inverter on grid at self-derated power. The irradiance conditions are good. The inverter is operating in on-grid mode at self-derated power. You are advised to upgrade the device software to the latest version. If the problem persists, use the following troubleshooting methods. High ambient temperature and poor heat dissipation will automatically trigger inverter power derating. After the inverter temperature decreases, the power derating is automatically cancelled. Check whether the air intake and exhaust vents of the inverter are blocked or closed. If any exception is found, clean up the components or rectify the fault. Check whether the clearances and environment meet the product requirements. If any exception is found, clean up the components or rectify the fault. Check whether the inverter reports the alarm external fan abnormal. Check whether the external fan of the inverter is running properly. Replace the external fan if it cannot run properly. The PV string voltage is low. The inverter's performance is reduced because the full load MPPT voltage is not reached. You are advised to adjust the PV string length. Ensure that the operating voltage is within the full load voltage range. MPPT derating due to voltage difference. The voltage difference between different MPPT circuits is too high. As a result, abnormal power derating occurs. You are advised to adjust the PV string length. Ensure that the length of each PV string is the same. The power grid THD is high, resulting in circulating current. As a result, the output power is derated. You can further determine the fault by measuring the harmonics of the power grid. If the fault persists, contact Huawei technical support.